Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, I'm Quita LaShawn. So I've been getting so many messages, DMs, emails. Y'all been blowing a girl up, asking about this new YouTube update that's coming on July 15th. And you want to know if your talking AI avatar is going to get demonetized or if YouTube is banning AI content altogether. So let me go ahead and give you my real thoughts on it, especially if you're using a talking AI avatar like I do, or if you're making faceless content with AI tools. So I'm going to break down what YouTube actually said, what kind of content is at risk, and I'm also going to give you 3 things that you can do to protect your channel. And we're going to also talk about this Google VEO3 content that people are making and why I think that content is going to be on the chopping block. So if you're ready, like always, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so let's get into it. So starting on July 15, 2025, YouTube will be updating their monetization policy, specifically cracking down on what they call mass-produced, repetitive, or low-effort content. This means if you're just cracking out AI videos with that same robotic voice, no edits, no commentary, no originality, girl, your bag may be in danger. Okay, so here's a quick direct quote from YouTube. In order to monetize as part of the YouTube Partner Program, creators must upload original and authentic content. Channels that primarily post mass-produced or repetitive videos may be removed from monetization. So in my opinion, no, they're not banning your AI avatar channel. They're not banning all AI content. They are banning low effort content. There's a big difference. The lazy content, that's what they are banning. So let's talk about Google VEO3 and why I think it's on the chopping block, because y'all been flooding YouTube with this content. Now, don't get me wrong. I love Google VEO3. It's fun, it's powerful, and it makes content creation much easier. But let's be real. If you've been watching those videos, 90% of those videos are the exact same, especially the black girl influencers, the mukbangs, the dating advice, all of that. The voices look the same, the characters look the same wig, same face, same vibe, no edits being done to them. Y'all just go over to Google VEO3, you put in a prompt, and you think you have monetizable content when you actually don't. You're posting it to your social media channels as is. And to be honest, TikTok and other platforms have already been flagging those Google VEO3 videos because it's not original content. If you look at that content, you see that the voices sound the same. The look is the same. Everything is the same, and it's not original content. And I think that's the type of content that YouTube is going to go after as well. So let me give you 3 ways to protect your YouTube channel, especially if you have a talking AI avatar channel like I do. So number 1 is to use your real voice. As y'all know, I teach this over and over again. I don't use 11 Labs. I don't clone my voice. I use my own voice. The only thing that's AI generated is the avatar itself as far as movement. I write my own scripts and I use my own voice. So use your own voice. YouTube is using voice print detection now. So if your YouTube video sounds like it is being cloned, or if it sounds like it's being an AI voice, then they're going to flag your video. So use your own voice. Tip number 2 is to add real edits. So don't just upload your AI generated video. Do a screen share, do captions, do transitions, do intros. This will help YouTube know that your video is authentic, your video is real, your video is unique. So make sure you add those real edits to your video. And number 3 is to brand your content. Add your logo, add a watermark, brand your content so YouTube can know that it is not being mass produced, okay? And that also help YouTube know that your content is real content and it's unique content. So don't forget to brand your content. So if you are one of my students and you're part of the AI Cash Skool, sis, breathe. Take a deep breath. Our avatars are branded. Our videos are layered. And baby, when you're in business, you need to learn how to pivot. And this is a way that you should be pivoting. So no, in my opinion, all AI content is not going to be banned, but the low effort content is. And if you're serious about turning your AI into a real business, you got to make smarter moves, okay? So come on and join the AI Cash Skool. I teach you how to make money with AI multiple different ways, not just using a YouTube AI talking avatar, but we talk about how to make money different ways, from brand deals to digital products to starting an AI business and more. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I hope this video was helpful, and I most importantly hope this video eased the mind of some of my community members and my YouTube supporters. Like always, I can't wait to see you on another video.